Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys, and today guys I'm going to go and be showing you how to get your Venmo QR code. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo website. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com right here and open up the official URL. And if you're on your mobile phone, you're just going to open up your application. So once you open it up, we can get started. First thing we need to do both on PC and mobile is to log in. So you'll be able to go ahead and take a look at the login button we have right here. Is the same on mobile. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is first register for an account by clicking get Venmo. After registering for an account, we can get started logging in. So go ahead and log in and you'll be greeted by the main page. On your application is going to look like this. This is going to be your home page from where we can get started with accessing everything we need in Venmo. We have our home page, our card section, crypto, and so on, and we can take a look at our account settings right here. So now we can get started. Here we have the step-by-step on how to get started with accessing our QR code in the Venmo application. Basically what we're going to do is open up the application like I just showed you and go to our account settings. And where can you find your account settings? Right here in the me section, right in the bottom right corner. You can go ahead and open up your me section by clicking the me section. This is going to enable you to open up your account menu, and here in the upper right corner you're going to have your settings. So open up your settings by tapping on them, and opening up your settings, you'll be greeted by the settings menu from where you can get started with accessing your personal details. This is the menu once you open up. In the personal details menu, you will be able to take a look at your QR code. Once in the profile section, you'll see your unique Venmo QR code right at the top of the screen. Then you can get started with using that QR code. As you can see, here it is by clicking this menu option right here, and this QR code button is going to enable you to take a look at your QR code, and then you can go ahead and show it to people, screenshot it, send it, and so on, that people can use that QR code for sending money to you, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.